Former President Donald Trump is not alone in going to trial over hush money payments. Former Senator John Edwards faced a similar fate more than a dozen years ago and was acquitted. John Edwards is a North Carolina Democrat who ran for president in 2004 and 2008. In 2004, he was John Kerry's vice presidential running mate. John Edwards was charged with 6 charges from the DOJ that relate to campaign finance violations. Prosecutors said he funneled about $900,000 to his mistress for travel expenses and lodging. They said that the motive was, of course, to hide this from coming out during his presidential campaign. The Edwards trial ended with the jury acquitting him on 1 charge, but being hung on the other 5. The Justice Department decided not to prosecute him again, and it dropped the case. Edwards' trial is similar to Trump's in that he defended himself, saying that he got the money from a friend, and the purpose of paying this money the way it was to keep it from his wife, who was dying from cancer at the time. Defenders of Trump have said that the hush money payments to Stormy Daniels could have been to benefit Melania and keep this sort of embarrassing allegations from coming out or embarrassing his family. The difference between the Trump case and the Edwards case is that Edwards was charged by the DOJ for federal campaign finance violations. With Trump, the FEC actually looked at this and decided not to prosecute him, and the statute of limitation lapsed. So Trump's trial is based off of New York state law that deals with record-keeping violations, alleged violations. And that case is being brought in state court by the Manhattan District Attorney. One professor I spoke to about the Edwards trial said that one of the sticking points was the personal motive aspect. Was it for concealing the affair from his wife, or was it for the professional campaign motive? And that's a question for the jury. And so that's a similar outcome that we'll see here. The same jury with Trump will have to decide, were these payments made to further his campaign or for personal motives?